for this man's to get here.
Our friend Madeline will be testing Jalen's loyalty by hitting on him and asking him on a date. Will he remain loyal, or will he entertain Madeline's advances?
I feel like in general, I don't trust men, but I don't know. Maybe he'll surprise us.
Oh, Madeline is getting up here. I think he's here.
Bro, what, women are angels? What, all of a sudden, wait, God, hold on. Men are total shit, and what, women are what? Women are perfect little angels? Are you fucking kidding me? Come on, bro. All right, let's go.
Here.
Moment of truth. Let's get it.
Dude, it is what it is.
What's good? This is January 2nd, 2026 now. Today's price action was really nice. Took 2 trades today. I had a bullish bias today once we came into this unicorn gap. But during pre-market, I was thinking we're gonna be bearish because we did have a pretty nice trade setup going on over here. And I took it to come down to London session lows, but we did SMT, which I should have realized and taken it out, but it stopped me at break even. We came into this 5-minute gap. This is my pre-market or market open kind of trade. There was a 5-minute gap right here. Here, I'll clear everything. Remove drawings. Alright. So, coming into the day, market opens. We SMT with these highs right here, these hourly highs. ES did not sweep these out. And we had accumulation. This is AMD over here. We had accumulation, manipulation to these highs, SMT, 5-minute fair value gap gets respected, 1-minute inverse fair value gap. This is A plus setup, A plus setup. I was targeting London session lows, however we SMT'd at 942, and yeah, and then we got stopped out there. But that was exactly what I expected to happen, but I wasn't checking ES, so I didn't realize we SMT'd. But if I knew we SMT'd, I would have taken out right there, but I didn't realize that, and that's on me. But we come into here, 1 hour breaker block. What do we do? 15-minute fair value gap, market right here. This is my unicorn gap. This is for my bullish bias. 15-minute unicorn gap. Do I even have it saved as a unicorn? Yep, unicorn gap. What happens at the unicorn gap? We SMT. ES sweeps London session lows. So we have a nice SMT right here. If this would work with me. So yeah, we have a nice SMT right here. Came into unicorn gap, SMT'd, inverse fair value gap, entered off this inverse. A plus setup. Both setups were A plus. This is my inverse fair value gap. Entered right here. I think I was at the bottom. I'm in 1 contract, so probably if I was in less contracts, my stop loss would be down here, but it was right here, under this gap, under this inefficiency, and I was targeting, I actually sold at the perfect fucking time. Where was I targeting? Okay, yeah. I targeted right here. This was my target. And it fucking perfectly swept it. And now we look like we're going lower. But beautiful fucking trade. This was a 6.27 RR, $1,900. I'm on my Tradeify account. Currently at $52,760. Great trading day. Let's continue to be profitable. What I will say today though, this was a beautiful trade, but going into the morning, I was $1,000 away from breaching my account, and I was kind of in a clear headspace today. I don't know why, but I wrote this sign on my wall. What would profitable Robert do in this position? And every time I look up, I see that. And today I was going into the market and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna take the exact setup that I want, that I like to see, I'm going to take my exact setup. I'm going to take only A plus setups, and if I don't see that, I'm going to be okay with not trading. I'm not going to take 50-50 setups, you know what I mean? Like, old me probably, or not to say old me, but I'm going to try to be more profitable as the year goes on. But old me probably would have entered right here after seeing just one bullish candle into the IFEG. But I stayed patient, and it didn't feel bad for me to stay patient. I didn't feel antsy or anything. So that's definitely a big step for me more than anything else. And when I got stopped at break even, I wasn't immediately looking to enter another short position to re-enter that. And when I got stopped at break even, it yeah, it was good trading today. Honestly, I think it was pretty good today. So yeah, starting off my 2026 on a good note. Let's continue to do this. But what I will say is last night I did take some like Asians. Yeah, right here. We were kind of just ripping up, and once I saw us kind of inverse this gap, I entered. I entered somewhere here once we inversed some type of gap, and we looked like we were gonna be bullish. We looked like we were gonna take out New York PM highs, and it was a pretty obvious draw, but regardless, I shouldn't have traded that time. So as retribution, I had to give myself a couple cuts on the wrist. And that's always my sign to make sure that I'm following my rules. And every time it hurts a little bit, I'll just remember like this is what it was from, and to stay profitable so that doesn't happen anymore. But yeah, good day today. Um, yeah, well, good way to end the week. Hope you guys had a good holiday. Hope you guys had a happy New Year's, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.